Meet LeakControl, the automated electronic air leak tester that helps you to eliminate the risk of cross-infection between patients. It finds leaks early on when repairs are minor and less costly, minimizing the level of damage caused by submersion. LeakControl helps standardize an uninterrupted disinfection process. It works with any leak test connection and ensures compliance and standardization with your leak test protocols. You can easily integrate LeakControl in your existing process, so use it with or without a water bath. In case of a leak, LeakControl keeps your scope pressurized, so it will not ingress any liquids, saving you 90% of your annual costs. Here's what customers are saying. LeakControl costs a lot less than one major repair, so you'll have recouped this investment in a heartbeat. Order now. Visit dovidecmedical.com/leakcontrol.